Vanakkam, namaste, salam alaikum. मैं हूँ backpacker Maljeet. So right now, like I'm with Anna. We are going to experience the street food here. When I see the video, it seems very delicious. So हम लोग ने plan किया है. So first we are going to like try which one?
We can try the pizza place, the gyro place, and some burgers maybe.
तो पहले हम लोग पिज़्ज़ा ट्राई करते हैं, उसके बाद क्या ट्राई करते हैं पूरा वीडियो में बताते. तो like watch this video till the end. हम लोग अभी यहाँ पर आए to try pizza. The name of this restaurant is
Pizzeria Square.
Pizzeria Square. It's like nearby the Republic Square. The name of this pizza is
Capricciosa.
Can you repeat?
Capricciosa.
Capricciosa.
Yeah.
Capricciosa.
Italian.
I think it's meat is added, right?
Yeah. Meat.
Okay. Is it good?
Yes.
तो मैं भी एक बाइट लेके आपको टेस्ट बताता हूँ कि हाउ इज इट. It's
It can get
delicious.
messy.
Yeah, I like being messy. It's very delicious.
Yeah, it's
And a
cheap
lot
and
of
it's
cheese.
good.
Yeah. We just paid 90 dinars for this. So in Indian currency, it's like around 80 or 70 rupees. It is very cheap. This is the first time for her vlogging in camera. तो मैं इनको पूछा कि एक्सपीरियंस कैसे था, like are you feeling embarrassed or weird? You know, like people stare a lot. Now also like while eating I can see people are staring. But main question is, will you do this if you are alone?
No.
No. Why? Why? What is the main reason?
I don't know. I would feel like I wouldn't have, a partner in conversation, so I would feel kind of weird.
If you have someone with you, then you won't even care like who is looking at me or not. So I haven't met anyone interesting as of now because like this is just my 4th day over here. Yeah, of course I met someone interesting, that is you, and I hope that when I go to Novi Sad or somewhere I'll meet some. It depends on the hostel also, right? My hostel is like, it is very quiet. People, they just like do their work. Many people are working, so they'll just work, and it's not a party hostel. If it's a party hostel, I mean like many people will, they'll talk to each other. So guys, that is the Republic Square. और Republic Square से you can see something like WinBet, और WinBet के बाजू में is this restaurant.
We can try the tornado chips or some gyro or pancakes.
Okay.
Fast food, everything.
Okay, yeah. यहाँ पर आए पोटैटोस. अब यहाँ पर क्या ट्राई करने वाले हो, जाके देखते.
Okay. A может ты не много?
Нет? На английском? Может чисто его, да?
Okay, so they make some special things with potatoes, and you can put some ingredients here.
Okay.
First we put butter, cheese and salt and mix it, then you put what you want.
Okay.
Надо соус добре. Ще, pošto je 3 minute.
A moram.
A ne morate, ali...
Neću.
What is that?
Pancetta.
Pancetta. Okay.
Bacon.
Bacon. उसके बाद है ना इसमें से जो आपको चाहिए वो आप बताओगे, तो पोटैटो के अंदर वो डालेंगे और उसको मिक्स करेंगे। तो मैंने वो लिया, वो है बेकन। दिस इज कजमक दैट डे वी ट्राई, राइट? द काइंड ऑफ चीज। ओके, थैंक यू।
It's like just the baked potato.
ओके
So this is baked, and then they mix cheese and butter with the potato.
Okay.
And then you can add the ingredients, and it's the meal.
ओके। स्पाइसी,
No,
चीज़ी।
cheesy. Yeah.
आलू है ना, आलू को पूरा बड़ा आलू है, लाइक इट्स अ बिग पोटैटो। उसको अच्छे से उबालते, उसके बाद लाइक दे पुट सम चीज़ और बटर, उसको अच्छे से मिक्स करते। आपने देखा होगा वीडियो में, अच्छे से मिक्स करते। देन आफ्टर दैट उसमें वहाँ पर आपने देखा काफ़ी सारा इंग्रेडिएंट्स था, सो यू कैन सेलेक्ट एनीथिंग। सो मतलब वो फाइनल टचअप जैसा उसमें ऊपर डालेंगे। तो मैंने लिया है बेकन और लाइक काजमक। काजमक मतलब चीज़। सॉरी ओके डायरेक्ट ओके। तो काइमक लाइक काइमक विच इज एक्चुअली अ चीज एंड दिस वन इज बेकन।
मुझे क्या कहोगी, सोचा था मैंने, तुम आ रही थी, आंखें मिला के तुम।
चीज देन बेकन। बहुत सही है। और इसका हुआ टोटल 330 दिनार्स, मतलब इंडियन करेंसी में पकड़ो 270 रुपीज़ के आसपास। एंड दिस इज़ अ मस्ट ट्राई फास्ट फूड बिकॉज लाइक आई एम ट्राइंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। So now we are going to try
Ice cream from the Black Sheep.
black sheep.
Yeah, it's Trnavca.
Okay.
It's in Serbian, and the
Okay.
translation is Black Sheep.
It is one of the famous
Yeah, the
ice
most
cream.
famous, yeah.
बहुत लोगों ने मुझे वो recommend किया था, so we'll try that ice cream also. So I like just suggest me some breakfast. Typical Belgrade people, what they eat during breakfast.
Uh-huh. Well, maybe you can go to some bakery and
Okay.
buy burek.
Burek, okay,
Yeah, and some yogurt.
okay, okay.
And yeah, that's something typical that we eat.
Anything apart from that? Because
Yeah,
I
you can
ate
like-
lots of burek.
Okay. You can like prepare some eggs and some bacon and
Okay.
usually anything from a bakery maybe.
Okay,
You know.
anything. Yeah, in bakery there are so many varieties, but just I have tried cheese burek. I haven't tried any other
Oh, you
burek.
can try the meat one.
Okay,
Some meat, maybe
Uh-huh.
chavapi, some
chavapi, yeah.
burgers.
Yeah, chavapi was a great dish.
Yeah.
Whenever I Google like best traditional food of Serbia, chavapi is in the list.
Sarma.
Sarma, yeah, I want
Stuffed
to.
paprika.
Okay, stuffed paprika.
Stuffed paprika, yeah.
Okay,
It's,
just text me on WhatsApp whatever you told. I'll forget.
what?
You,
I have to write it.
yeah, you text
okay.
me on WhatsApp. So you like in Belgrade, you don't eat anything with rice.
With rice?
Yeah, I've seen
No,
very
you can-
rarely.
No, you can put it like a side dish, you know, something with to go
Okay.
with your chicken maybe.
Okay.
And some salad, but
Okay.
it's not something that we work around with. I know that in India, like curry rice and
Yeah, what we do, we'll take a rice, then we'll make a hole in the rice
Yeah.
in the center, and we'll put all the curry inside, and we eat in a banana leaf. It's a huge leaf. In that we'll put all the rice, curry, everything, and then we'll eat. Like it's pure traditional.
yeah, sounds delicious.
Yeah.
But you know,
तो गाइस ये है वो जहाँ पर हम लोग आइसक्रीम ट्राई करने वाले।
You can see all the flavors up there.
Okay.
I can tell you what the best sellers are.
Yeah. Okay.
Plasma biscuit,
Okay. Plasma.
hazelnut,
Okay.
hazelnut almond with hazelnut cream,
Okay.
Janduja, that's a mixture of dark chocolate hazelnut,
Okay. I'll take plasma biscuit
plasma biscuit. In
Yeah.
a cup or in a cone?
in a cone, and like I just need small.
Sorry?
Small. Yeah. Because you'll have.
Ja, čas. A jel, kao dobro. Dobro. Hvala predala.
Yes, that was the
यहाँ पर आप लोग थोड़ा सा एक सैंपल लेके टेस्ट भी देख सकते हो कि मतलब आपको कौन सा फ्लेवर है। यहाँ पे बहुत सारा फ्लेवर है, लाइक 20 फ्लेवर के ऊपर है, तो आप बेटर है ना इनसे पूछ लो कि कौन सा बेस्ट है। मैंने इनको बोला कि मतलब आपका जो बेस्ट सेलिंग आइसक्रीम है वही दे दो। फ्लेवर डिड यू हैड?
I got the salted caramel.
Salted caramel. Salted caramel, and this one is plasma biscuit. Why this is known as plasma biscuit?
You can buy it at any
So guys, ये है plasma biscuit. This is the small which I ordered. Actually, you can buy small, medium, large, anything you want. मैंने small लिया है because already like my stomach is full. It's so delicious. एक नंबर है भाई, एक नंबर. In India, when you like something very much, we say एक नंबर.
Egg number.
एक number.
Egg number.
एक number means basically it means first number, but it's a local word. Now I was
Like
just saying,
slang.
yeah, like a slang. I liked it very much, so I was saying taste egg number.
Egg number.
Yeah.
This one is egg number.
$170 का एक आइसक्रीम आया स्मॉल, और स्मॉल भी बहुत था.
Yeah, it was really tasty.
Yeah, thanks for recommending me this. And definitely black sheep. यहाँ पर आप कोई भी बिल्डिंग में ऐसा घुस नहीं सकते हो. यहाँ पर हमने अभी प्रेस किया तो इनको इंटीमेशन गया रहेगा कि कोई आ रहा है शॉपिंग करने, फिर उन्होंने इसको ओपन किया. विंटेज शॉप पे आया हूँ. यहाँ पर मतलब पूरा एकदम बहुत सारा आइटम्स वगैरह मिलेगा. तो मैं सोचा कि मेरा गाइड ने एक 100 बिलियन का एक नोट दिखाया था ड्यूरिंग द यूगोस्लोवियन पीरियड. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो नोट खरीदूँ और आपको यहाँ पे दिखा भी देता हूँ ना कि मतलब क्या क्या मिलता है. और लाइक ये सारे जैकेट से या मनी, सॉरी
old money.
ओके या ओल्ड मनी. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, मैं इनको नोट बोल रहा था, मनी बोलता तो मिल जाता था.
Here is, I have more.
ओके
I found it.
ओके. This one.
Now that we have bigger, but now I think no.
तो गाइस मेरे पास दो नोट है. ये है 5 बिलियन, फोकस होगा कि पता नहीं. ये है 5 बिलियन, ये है 1 बिलियन का.
This one is 1,500.
ओके 5 बिलियन का नोट है. इसका है 1000 दिनार्स, मतलब इंडियन करेंसी में पकड़ो 800 रुपये के आसपास. और जो 1 बिलियन का है, 1 बिलियन का है 500 दिनार का. मैं 1 बिलियन का ही लेता हूँ ना, वैसे मुझे सिर्फ लाइक ऐसे मेमोरी रखना है. ये वाला लेता हूँ 500 दिनार्स का.
Now you are rich.
आई एम वेरी रिच. I can buy a property in India now with this money. 500 dinar and 1 million dinar.
Okay.
I don't want to be a big billionaire.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much. So, like, do you know something about this currency? Yeah, like
Yeah, it's in the time of inflation, you know, they kept printing more and more money, and the
Okay.
money lost on value.
Okay.
And now, like, that $5 billion.
Yeah, 5 billion, 5
right?
billion, yeah.
It's like worth. It's like so little
Okay.
Yeah, maybe like today 100, 200 dinars.
Oh.
Yeah, it's really low value.
Okay.
Because they printed so much of that money and it kind of kept just losing on the value and they kept adding zeros on it.
Oh.
It's something that I understand about inflation. I'm not an expert, but I think.
आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हो. हम लोग ने जहाँ पर ब्लैक शिप में आइसक्रीम खाया था वहाँ से सिर्फ 1 मिनट का वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस पे. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग देम दैट इट इज जस्ट 1 मिनट ऑफ वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द आइसक्रीम.
Yeah.
So black sheep, no, it's not. It's known as black sheep, but in Serbian it is known as something different.
Crna ovca.
What?
Crna ovca.
Crna
Crna
or
ovca.
Ovca.
With the welcome, namaste. And
Yeah, that is easy, yaar.
No,
Like
it's
see,
not.
wanakam. It's like you
Wanakam.
can pronounce it very easily.
Wanakam.
Yeah, wanakam.
So it's
Basically,
easy.
from my mother tongue, it's like a greeting. Like you're greeting someone. What's the name
It's
of?
like the student park.
Yeah, student park.
Because there's colleges here.
Okay, so people just come bunk their lectures and come here and
Yeah.
relax. Strange thing happened to me. Last time when we met, after that I went back to hostel. There was an ATM nearby my hostel. I just tried to withdraw 10,000 dinars. The amount got debited from my account, but the cash didn't dispense out. Yeah, it was very strange. Yeah. Then I tried again for 5,000 dinars. Same thing happened. Usually the transaction gets failed, right?
Yeah.
It didn't get failed. It was showing the transaction is successful. Please collect your cash.
And
But
no cash.
no cash. Didn't even dispense the cash.
So what did you do?
I went to the bank like today morning and I told them this. So they were like, you should contact your bank. I told them that I'm a traveler. Within a week I'll be leaving Belgrade. So what if I need something? They were telling you have to contact your bank and your bank should contact us.
Oh.
So it is a very long process.
So
What is this? Like I need something small.
okay, so this is like the
Small. Okay. Oh, be careful.
To maloletni.
No.
Okay, let it be. It's so windy that जितना मसाला इसमें डाला सब हवा में उड़ गया. मेरे पीछे जो है कैफेटेरिया. This is one of the biggest
Yeah.
cafe in Belgrade and
Whole building.
it
just
has
for
a
sitting.
saloon.
Yeah.
Then you can even drink and you have coffee. How many floors are there? One, two,
Three.
Three floors and an
And
underground.
basement.
Like total 4. So what is that very first thing you notice in a guy when you meet?
The energy.
Energy.
Share. Yeah.
Okay, this is something different which I have heard.
The whole vibe check on that.
Okay.
Because you have some characteristic of the stereotype you're
Yeah.
dressing as.
Yeah, okay.
And
Okay, just be very honest
Yep.
and rate me out of 10
Oh,
for
no.
no as a person. Oh, seriously?
yeah.
Don't just lie. Seriously?
Seriously.
Okay, so this part will go in this video. So guys, now she's leaving and we are back to the main Republic Square and we click couple of photos. And first of all, thank you for helping me try some famous local
my
dish.
pleasure.
And it was very delicious, especially that potato one.
Yeah.
And ice cream was, of course, it was
Yeah.
awesome. I cannot select which was the favorite, but all three is a must try. Then she took me to a vintage shop where she made me a billionaire. Thank you for that. I'll wind up the video over here. If you have spent your precious time watching this video till here, then don't forget to hit the like or the dislike button. Also, do suggest your thoughts in the comment section. As usual, dream bigger,
achieve bigger, and stay
stay
away from the
negativity.
negativity.
Having said that, signing off, Backpacker Melchis and
Anna.
bye.